Trading platforms such as eToro offer commission-free trading, but they do employ spreads, and we'll take a look at what spreads mean in this video. Just to quickly familiarize yourself with the layout here, so this is eToro, and each row here is a different company. Here we can see the current stock price, and we've got the buy price here. The average open, that's how much I made the transactions for, so you can ignore those. And this is my profit and loss, so again, ignore those. This is a live portfolio. This is real money, and the trading markets are open right now, so that's why the numbers are changing as well. So in terms of buy, current, and sell, so this is how much, if you look at the ticker, this is how much the stock price is being listed for. If you want to buy it, it's this much. And this isn't the sell price of how much you would sell it for. This is if you want to open a short position, so a short sell. I have a video covering what short selling is, and we won't talk about that here, but it's a different topic. So all we'll focus on is the buy and the current. So as you can see, the numbers on the buy are higher, and that's the markup, so that's the spread. So if we wanted this stock that's listed at 328.60, we need to actually pay 329.60, so a $1 markup, so a $1 spread on that. And you'll see these will change. It's not a fixed dollar amount. You'll see that the buy price changes without the current price changing, and vice versa. The current price can change without the buy price changing. It's not a set percentage either, because you'll see on this stock the spread is higher, so we're looking at about $1.18 as a markup, and this particular stock has been as much as $2 today in terms of markup. This one here is only 2 cents, so it's a much smaller markup here. And the markup, the spread, it all depends on a few various factors, so supply, demand, volatility. So the main thing to take away is if you see a stock at a given price, in order for you to trade, you have to pay the premium on it. So and that's important to know as well when you want to put together a strategy, because when you come to exiting, if you're looking at a stock with a small percentage change, you will have a smaller gain than you thought, because if you're looking purely at the charts, that won't take into account the buy price. Now, again, platforms change. They'll be different whichever one you use. So you might be using a platform which has a smaller or larger spread. And with eToro, so far, the sell price is the current price, as far as I can tell. So, but there might be platforms that have a different spread for the sell price as well. So you'll actually have a spread across the buy and the sell price. So it might be that another platform, it has a 50-cent markup here, but then to sell it, it will have a 50 cent markup as well. So then they're still making that dollar spread across the buy and sell. So it really depends on the platform. But the main thing for us to know is this is kind of what it looks like in real life, in a real platform. So if you're wanting to buy something stock, you're paying a premium for it, and that's important to know as well, because if the stock price doesn't change, say it's a few days later and this price hasn't changed, then in order for you to exit that, then you'd have actually lost money because you paid the premium, but you're only able to sell it at the current price. So and that's the thing with trading that you'll find is you effectively lose money the second you place a trade. So you always need the stock to move up just by a slight percentage, just to help cover your initial kind of premium on the purchase. Otherwise, yeah, if the price doesn't move, you've paid the premium, and then you end up selling at a slight loss. So, but that's the main thing to show you in this video is that's what the spreads are like, in particular on eToro, and you'll find they're roughly the same depending on which platform you use. And yeah, they vary by stock as well. So just some real numbers to show you in case you're interested. And if there's anything else you want to see, let me know and we can take a look through that.